5C. Exercise 1, page 58. Main meals. Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. Noodles with bean sprouts. Noodles with bean sprouts. Chicken tikka masala. Chicken tikka masala. Crispy duck pancakes. Crispy duck pancakes. Chicken with boiled rice. Chicken with boiled rice. Kebab, lamb in pitta bread. Kebab, lamb in pitta bread. Side dishes. Chicken salad. Chicken salad. Spring rolls. Spring rolls. Desserts. Ice cream. Ice cream. Fruit salad. Fruit salad. Drinks. Cola. Cola. Mineral water. Still. Mineral water. Still. Exercise 3, page 58.
Healthy Takeaway UK. Brits love takeaway food, but some dishes are healthier than others. Chinese food. The first Chinese restaurant opened in London over 100 years ago, and now it's one of the nation's favourite takeaways. But next time, try noodles with bean sprouts, which has very few calories compared to crispy duck pancakes or spring rolls. Indian food. British people love curries. They spend £250 million a year on them, and they usually order too much food. Why not share your chicken tikka masala with a friend? And make sure you order boiled rice, which has very little fat, rather than fried rice. Kebabs. Immigrants from Turkey and Cyprus brought kebabs to Britain. Now they're a favourite nighttime snack. But ask the owner just to put a bit of meat in the pitta bread and fill it up with salad. Ordering takeaway tonight? Make a healthy choice.